my 5 pet hates when it comes to binoculars. Number 1, plastic or plastic packaging. I know that when obviously there's glass lens elements inside binoculars, and so you want them to be kept well protected when being transported from one place to another. So we often use bubble wrap or similar, but we're trying to cut down, both myself and importers, as much as possible. But why, with the binoculars themselves, not these I must hasten to add, do they include all this extra free plastic? So you'll have plastic around the retail box, another plastic bag around the case, another plastic bag around the binoculars, not these, and also maybe with the cleaning cloth and neck strap, you'll have more plastic packaging around them. I mean, I know we're all responsible and we dispose of it correctly, but I mean, why? Number 2, cleaning cloths. Some come with the cheaper brands, not many now. The dreaded, I think it's lint, is it? I nearly made a mistake then. These are not microfiber cleaning cloths, just the cheap material, and little bits come off it. You probably can't see on camera, but I'll show a photograph of one I did earlier, and all those little bits that come off and get caught up in all the nooks and crannies of your optics, they do more harm than good. You know, make sure they've got a microfiber cleaning cloth. Please, whoever you buy from, make sure of this. So if they have got one of these cheap cloths, ask them to upgrade to a much better one, and if they don't, then move on to another dealer. Number 3, the fold down eye cups. Some binoculars that use with your spectacles on, you fold down the rubber eye cups. But the problem with that is, if they come with like a single lens cap like this, because you folded them down, they in effect become wider, and you can't get the lens cap back on. You know, so obviously not much thought gone into the development. But some use these all-in-one that are quite pliable, and so if you do fold the eye cups down, no problem at all. Keeping the eyepiece lenses nice and safe and dry. Next, strap lugs. I've mentioned this quite a number of times with my reviews. Now with these Nature A1s, as I've mentioned with all their binoculars, nice and smooth, and so when you hold them the correct way around, they don't dig into your hands at all. Whereas others, quite sharp edges, you know, almost like square rather than curved, and they do dig into your hands. To some people it's not a problem, you just alter the way you hold the binoculars, and to other people, yeah, it is a big issue. So number 4, you know, the quality of the strap lugs. And finally, some specifications that I don't know if things have maybe got lost in translation, but often binoculars, well, I'll to use an example, one set of 8 by 26 we used to sell were quoted as 4 meters close focus. They were actually 1 meter close focus. Now, in a way, that's better than expected, so that shouldn't really be a problem. But some are quoted as 2 meters, but when you take them out of the box and you try for yourself, I'll find them to be closer to be 5, 6, 8 meters or even beyond. And when I do reviews, I will often mention that. And the same with eye relief. A lot of binoculars in the specs, it'll say fold down eye cups for spectacle wearers, but that doesn't mean the eye relief is long. And again, I've often mentioned this in my videos, because you know I like to be honest and upfront, and I'll say, yeah, it does have twist eye cups, but not long enough eye relief for spectacle wearers. And if anybody comes to our optics weekends, one of the first things I'll ask if I see them wear glasses, do you keep glasses on? And they say yes. I'll say, okay, a set here, they're not really suited to you, and I'll get another set out. And so some that maybe quote 16 millimeters eye relief, I'll test them and find them closer to 13 or 14. And so yeah, sometimes specifications can get lost in translation. So that's 5 of my pet hates for binoculars. Something different I thought I'd do for this video. So thank you always for watching. I'll give a link in the description below where you can purchase from ourselves. Obviously you are supporting our channel by doing so, and I'll see you next time.